and we are here to pick up my new car.
Woo! Her car finally made it.
My mama is pumping a little gas right now. We got baby Aiden back here in the cut. But today this video is about to be me getting my new car. So y'all, they called me yesterday and told me that it's arrived at the car lot. We're gonna go look at it and see, you know, if it seems like it's big enough, because yes, it's a brand new car, but I still want to make sure it's got some space, because I've been looking online and you know how that is. And I got Aiden to worry about. So I want to make sure some space in the back. I don't want him to be cramped up back there. Or nobody else just riding to be cramped up. So that's it. Well, none of this be possible, y'all, if it weren't for my mama. If I didn't come back home with her and stuff, and if I ain't have her to help me out with Aiden, y'all, and grandma too. Grandma be helping me out with Aiden. Grandma babysit Aiden while I was working. But now I'm not even working no more. That's a long story. That's a story for another day. But grandma and my mama, shout out to them. Shout out to them, y'all. It wouldn't even be possible, because I wouldn't have been able to save no money, because I would have had to pay for a daycare. I wouldn't have been able to save no money, because I would have had to pay my own rent. Ooh, I can't believe it. Y'all, okay, just stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. See, Aiden's talking about a truck. I think he wanted a truck, but we can't afford no truck, so. Kia, some kind of Kia. Y'all, that would be me right there. That would be me. Oh my God. It ain't the blue I thought it was gonna be though. I thought it would be the blue light that's coming up in the camera. But it's a different blue in real life, you see?
Hey, Sad Fam. It's me, Sherry.
Hey, Shanice.
And there go Aiden.
And we are at the Kia dealership over here. And we are here to pick up my new car.
Woo! Her car finally made it. How do you feel?
About having you in the car?
Lily, how do you feel?
We feel good. We're excited. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna test drive it too, because even though it's brand new, we still need to test drive it and see if we like it. So that's what we're about to go in here and do. We're finna figure out why he put the sticker on the car, even though I told him not to. So
yeah,
we'll be there soon.
Okay. You gonna talk to him?
It don't even look like it.
In this office, please, Gibson.
It's a blue car. So this is the car. How do I look? Come here, boo. Look to the inside.
No. This is it, y'all. It finally made it. It's hot. Oh, look how the little seat push back right here. It's a little space over there on that side. Oh yeah, it's gonna be enough space when you pull up. Huh? Hot? You know this your car? Look at her car, y'all. It finally made it. Look at Aiden. He ready to get in and ride away. Look, Aiden. Say hey, y'all. Okay, we'll get back with y'all in a minute. We sitting here.
You were waiting on 4:15 for real.
What do I say? I thought you said for what time is it? Nothing about 4:09. What? So you see me? I don't know. They had a bow on one of them, y'all. So I don't know if they put a bow on mine too. They ain't got no bow on HUD yet, so we gonna see if they gonna put a bow on there.
Or if I gotta make them put a bow on there.
So we just sitting here waiting. Here come the guy coming over here.
Okay. Really nice. I get my full tank gas and clean up. That free car right there, you'll see it right there. Beautiful.
Okay, let's go see. We'll be back.
I'll see you next.
Come on, bro. Go where your mommy at. Look. Okay, so she's sitting in there.
How you start the thing? You put your foot on it.
Yeah, you gotta put your foot on that first. She don't know how to start her new car, y'all. He been in here trying to jam, ain't he?
Got 20 miles.
I thought it was.
I thought it
Look
was
at the
thinner.
inside of the door. We got little dirt spots
How
on
you
there.
pull this up?
Probably the front. They got little dirt spots on the
Well,
door,
take the
y'all.
gas,
Look,
y'all.
tell
Look at it.
him, y'all see you got dirt spots on my door.
That's what you do.
Yeah, he put a full tank of gas in there. You got your air cut on.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. This Nene new car. Hold on, boo. I don't know where the key. You gotta ask him about that. The other one might have it on there, like I said. Wait, come on. Huh?
Want to get in?
He said no. Okay, you don't have to get in. I'm just showing the bed. Be careful. Come on here, cause we are in the parking lot. Come on, hot. Come on, hot. Look at mommy and wait, come here. Look at her. Hey, mommy. Come on, boo. Come on, let's see it from the front. Come on. Come on, boo.
I like that.
No.
Look at her. Look at Aiden.
To KIA Rio, sporty blue with 11 miles.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. We got date of birth. There's no trade-in involved. You'll pay all your sales tax and tags when you get home to Mississippi. And as a cash transaction, we received $729.69 in cash, and you have a cashier check for $20,000. Is that correct? Do you have that check with you?
Look at little Miss Businesswoman. She all over there looking. Okay, y'all. He in his new car. His new car got the bow on it. Right here, boo. Right here. Come on up here. Come on. See, his new car got the bow on it. That's what I told you. I said, get the thing. Make sure you grab the key. Come on. See? You see her car? Oh.
She a proud one. She a real one. She owns it.
Ain't it? Oh, look at her.
Cash. Whoa.
Yeah, go on, girl. Wait, Aiden. Because there's a car coming this way. Come on. Look at mommy. Ooh, look at the bow. Huh?
Right here.
Okay, you ready for me to take it? She is official. Tell them.
It's official, y'all.
You are the proud owner of
A brand new 2022 KIA Rio.
off the truck, y'all. I'm scared of her. I've
y'all.
never had a brand new vehicle. This girl is moving on up in life. Look at Aiden. That's your car. He nodded head.
Never comes on. All right. Windshield wiper like this. And left, right. You know. Horn blow.
Oh,
You know.
look at that little horn. Is that the
And you got your, you know, well, you go when your phone come on, you get your answer. And look, this is your, see that right there? You got your lane assist, your driver assist, it can help you drive. Okay, and your cruise control. You know, it's so self-explanatory. So there's nothing hard about this car. And that's your roller side assist number right there. 180 number you want to do.
Okay.
Okay, and you got full tank gas. You got 418 miles before you run out of gas. 84 degrees. You got 20 miles. That's so low miles you can get right there. You crank it up, you feel the brake, push the button. Any questions? You got 7 explain to it, okay? If you have any questions, you give me a call, okay?
All right,
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank you for the good service.
All right, thank you. All right.
Right.
All right. What the, ain't they got that little, I guess you leave that little yellow paper down there?
It said, ensure the transport fuse is fully seated. Press firmly before customer delivery. Sticker to be removed by customer only.
Oh, okay.
So, yep.
Okay, her. She ain't never had a car with 20 miles, and me either. We finally here, y'all. It's been a long wait, but she finally got it. She finally got
You gotta get a
it.
snap of me right quick.
She finally got it, y'all. Brand new 2022 Kia Rio, baby. Go. Look at Aiden. He excited too, y'all. He got it. He ready to detail the car already. Y'all see that? Y'all see? Look. This gonna be the that boy probably asleep.
He said he was gonna call us in 2 hours. I know we done been here about 2 hours.